To ensure that the screen record option is in the control center, go to Settings, tap on Control Center, scroll down, tap plus beside screen recording. It will appear here, and this means that it is now in your control center. If you swipe down from the top right like this, you'll see that the screen record button is here. It's useful when you're creating these videos to have this pointer on the screen, and it's very easy to get that. You tap on Settings, on the left hand side scroll down, tap on Accessibility, tap on Touch, tap on Assistive Touch, and you can turn that on or off and the pointer should appear. So I've got it on. Here's a pointer, and that means that I could use that pointer to point at different things on the screen. If you want to set up a blank whiteboard to make your video with, you should access the Numbers app, tap on Create Spreadsheet, tap on Blank, tap on the circle at the top left of the spreadsheet, tap on Delete, and this will give you a blank canvas or whiteboard to work on. Now you might want to add a title to your video. Tap on the plus button, tap on the shapes, tap on text, double tap to edit, if you tap on the text and tap on the paintbrush, you can edit the text in terms of the size and the color and the font. So I'm going to make the text bigger by tapping on the plus beside size. I'm going to change the text color to blue. Now I can tap on the text and drag it up to the top of the screen, and I can tap on the dots at the side of the text box to manipulate the text box. Now you might want to create your sum or equation, the one that you're going to show the children how to complete. So you tap on the plus at the top, tap on the pictures here, tap on drawing. Now you can select different types of pens. You've also got a rubber, and you can select different colors. So I'm going to tap this pen and I'm going to select the black color, and now I'm going to write down the sum or equation that we're going to do. Just before you're ready to record your video, make sure that you are using the draw tool. So tap on plus, pictures and drawing. And remember, you can select different drawing tools at the bottom, and if you tap on one of the pencils or pens, you can select the thickness for the video. Now you're ready to record. Swipe down from the top right and here is the record button. Now as you can see, we are currently recording. If you hold your finger on it for 3 seconds, you'll see that you have the option to turn the microphone on or off. When you are ready to record, tap on this button and it will count down for 3 seconds. Then the recording will start. Then tap on the screen and complete your recording. Here is an example. So today, boys and girls, we are going to look at how to multiply 2-digit numbers by single-digit numbers. Here is our multiplication sum, and it's 23 times 6. Now remember, we always start at the units column, which is the column at the right hand side, and we do 3 times 6. So we know that 3 times 6 is 18. So we place the unit in the answer, which is the 8 here, and we carry the 10 over to the tens column. So 3 times 6 is 18. Then we move to the tens column and we multiply the 10 by the unit here. So 2 times 6, or 6 times 2 is 12. Then we plus or add the 10. So 6 times 2 is 12. Add 1 is 13. And we put 13 here. And boys and girls, this is how you multiply 2-digit numbers by single-digit numbers. That is the end of the example. When you have finished the example and finished the video, you can tap on the red record symbol at the top right of the screen. You may want to create a project with some pictures or images in it. So here is a project for Year 1 children who are focusing on the S sound. So you may want to put in some pictures beginning with S or the S sound. So what you do is leave the Numbers app and go to the Safari app. And say, for example, you want to get a picture of a snowball. You type in snowball up at the top. Then you tap on images, and this is a good enough image here, I think, so I can tap on it. It will appear here on the right hand side, and then I hold my finger on it for 2 seconds, and then I have the option of adding to photos. So I tap on that. Then I go back to the Numbers app. Then I tap the plus up at the top. Tap on photos here. Tap on photo or video. And the snowball should appear here. Tap on it and it will appear on the screen. I can drag on it to move it around, and you see the blue dots at the corners. If I drag those in, I can then make the picture or image smaller, then drag it around the screen. So you can see how you can add different objects into the project, and then you can create a video for Year 1 children who want to learn about objects beginning with S. So now you might want to add that video to the learning platform that you're using for home learning. So in our school we use Seesaw. So I'm going to tap on Seesaw, and I've started to create a project for the children to complete on multiplying 2-digit numbers by single-digit numbers. And you can see this is the first page of the activity, and if I tap here, this is the second page of the activity, and I can add further pages of further questions. But I want to add that video in the first page. So I might want to make a nice little sort of background to drop the video into. So I can tap on the 3 dots, shapes, maybe this sort of a square with rounded edges. I can tap on it and change the color. I can manipulate it around a bit, and there we go. And now if I tap on the photograph, or the camera here, and I go to upload, go to recently added, and here's one of the videos that I created. So I'll just go for this short one here, tap on it, tap on the tick. The video is processing, it's going to upload very soon. I can drag it about the screen. I can make it bigger to match in with the size of the sort of area where I'm putting the video. And again, now the students have this project, and in the first page of the project they have a video showing them how to multiply 2-digit numbers by single-digit numbers, and they can tap on play here to watch that video. And once they've done that and they've learned about how to actually do it, then they can tap on the second slide, and then they can complete the questions. So a teacher creates this project, sends it to the children. Children open it up, and they have the exact same interface here as a teacher would have, the exact same tools with the pen tool to complete the question. So they can tap on the pencil or pen down here, and then they can start completing the question. So 4 times 7 is 28. 7 5 is 35, add 2 is 37. So I hope that's right. It should be. So you can see there then how you can create a video to teach a concept, and this could be in any subject area, and then add it to your preferred learning platform, and I'm using Seesaw. And then it's very easy to send that out to the students, and they have access to a very good video that's aimed at teaching a concept and some activities, and you could even add in another page for some word problems based on that if you wanted to.